Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you 4 types of driving turns that you can make. Now these are the 4 types and then I'll demonstrate each one. The first type is a left-hand turn. The second type is a right-hand turn. The third type is a 3-point turn. The fourth type is a U-turn. So I'm just gonna go ahead and demonstrate all of these. Now I'll explain as much as I can, but generally speaking, I'll be focusing on the steering because with regards to checking your mirrors and blind spots, you should be doing those all the time, and I'll try to outline them, but I'm gonna be very limited because I'm gonna do one of each. So I might not have the full time to explain every single step, but I'm gonna be mainly trying to focus on the actual steering. All right, so we're gonna start off by making a left-hand turn. So I'm approaching the left-hand turn. I'm gonna put my left signal on. I'm checking my rear view mirror, my left side mirror, my left blind spot. Now watch what I do with the steering wheel. I turn the wheel, I hold it, and then I release it, just like that. Now the roads are a little bit snowy, so that's why it's a little bit slippery and slidey. So that was a left-hand turn right there. Now the next thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a 3-point turn. So I'm gonna pull over. So I've put my signal on, check my mirrors, check my blind spot to pull over. I'm gonna signal left, turn the wheel all the way to the left, make sure that the car's in drive, look all around, and I can proceed to the other side of the road. Come to a complete stop before you hit the curb, put it in reverse, signal right, steer all the way to the right, look all around, and reverse. Come to a complete stop before you hit the curb, put it in drive, signal left, steer all the way to the left, and proceed. And that is how to do a 3-point turn. And it's a super useful maneuver for turning your car around, very simply put. So what we're gonna do next is we're actually going to do a left turn followed by a U-turn, and then I'll do a right turn. So just gonna do a left here again, once again, coming to complete stop, signal, rear view mirror, left side mirror, left blind spot. We're gonna turn left, and then to do a U-turn, the first thing that you wanna do is you want to pull over, right? So I'm going to immediately pull over here, signal, come to complete stop, and then check my mirrors and blind spot and so forth. When you're ready to do the U-turn, you want to signal away from the curb. So I'm signaling left, turning the wheel all the way to the left, checking all around the car, all behind, all to the sides, all in front. When you're ready to proceed and when it's safe to proceed, you can keep the wheel all the way turned to the left and make your U-turn just like that. Very simple. And then what we're going to do next is we are going to do a right turn. So I'm going to signal right, check my rear view mirror, my right side mirror, my right blind spot, turn the wheel to the right, hold it, and then release it, just like that. And that's basically it. Those are the basics of the 4 types of turns that you can do in a car. Now, like I said, I just went over the basics. There's a lot more to doing these turns, but I just wanted to go over the basics of doing these turns with you in this video. If you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.